How do you know when price of a stock is going to go up before it even happens? Most traders right now don't know this. They're guessing, they're chasing, and they're buying after the move has already started and wondering why they keep getting stuck at the top. So let's look at that using a pre-market move from today. The ticker, ARTL. And Discord had already triggered these levels for us in advance at 5:52 a.m. Mountain Time. Members already had the levels before price even started moving. So they weren't trying to figure it out. They were already prepared. Let's look at what's actually happening there, shall we? Whoops, wrong chart. This is what most people are using, this chart. No structure, no clarity, no idea what levels matter. Just candles moving and hoping one of them works. And this is why it feels impossible to know when price is going to go up. So let's get the correct chart, shall we? Now look at this. Same stock, but now we can actually see where price matters, where decisions are made, and where it's being pulled like a magnet. This is where the answer starts. At 5:52 a.m. Mountain Time, my Discord members were given these levels: 545, 570, 620, 688, 758 before the move. And when you understand where price is being pulled, you start to know what to expect next. And that's where it becomes predictable. Price starts interacting right here. Not random. This Discord level already mattered. And this is the shift. You stop asking, is price going to go up? And then you start seeing why it's going to go up. There's 3 conditions that have to be in place for that to happen. Price has to hold support, not breaking, not failing, but holding. Condition number 2, risk is clearly defined. Entry around $5.88. Now, if price comes back down to $5.70, we're out. That's already decided in advance. Third, volume supports continuation. And this is where buyers are stepping in. They're not fading, they're supporting the move. And even when all 3 of these are there, the setup still has to qualify. Risk here, upside here. And visually, this clearly offers at least 3 times the risk. There's no guessing, just clarity. Entry comes in at 5:56 a.m. Mountain Time at around $5.88. And now we're not asking anymore. We're not asking if it's going to go up. Hey there, little trend. This is the part most people ruin. They start watching every single candle. And then they start second guessing. They want instant confirmation. But we already know what we're expecting. So we just let it happen. And now price starts moving. Level to level. Not random, but following structure. At 5:59 into 6 a.m. Mountain Time, price accelerates. It skips levels. It becomes overextended. And this is where most traders finally think, okay, now it's going to go up. And that's exactly where they get trapped. But inside our Discord group, we're actually doing the opposite. Price pushes into $7.58, which is a known Discord institutional level. And we know, based on our trend criteria, that price is currently overextended right here. So instead of hoping, we lock in gains. High of the day reaches about $7.75. But the move was available the entire time. Range of opportunity was $1.70 per share. Gain was 29%. And this is what it feels like when you don't have to guess. You're not chasing. You already knew what to expect. Without these institutional lines on your chart, you're buying late, you're selling too early. You're getting shaken out. And you're constantly asking, how do I know if price is going to go up? This isn't luck. This is what happens when decisions are made around structure instead of emotion. And what we give members inside of Discord isn't just levels. It's the ability to understand what price is doing in real time so that you can stop guessing. Inside my mentoring program, you're not just getting the levels. You're getting the exact areas that we're watching before price even gets there. And more importantly, you're learning how to read what's happening around these levels. And if you don't have that, you probably should. I'll see you in Discord.